Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to clear the cache in the RedNote app. If you've been experiencing slow performance or unexpected issues, clearing the cache can often solve these problems. The best part? It's quick and easy to do, so let's dive right in. First, open the RedNote app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. On the homepage, look at the upper left corner of the screen, and you'll see a menu icon with 3 lines. Tap on it. This will open a drop-down menu, and from there, select the Settings option at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're in the settings, you'll see the option to Clear Cache in the menu. Tap on that, and a confirmation window will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to clear the cache. If you're ready, just click OK. Once the cache is cleared, close the app and then reopen it to see if the issue has been resolved. That's it. Clearing the cache helps the RedNote app run more smoothly without affecting your notes or settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.